Welcome to Ridhivej Finance. We are presenting Nasdaq predictions which will be valid from the 5th Jan 2025 till the 11th Jan 2025 by Ridhivej Finance. Dear investors and our audience and viewers and the other, if you see our previous video, you will analyze it that whatever we have predicted in the December ending may gonna happen in the Jan first 15 days probably. In Nasdaq Composite Index, last week it has been closed around 19,280 points previously, but that day it has been performed around Nasdaq Composite Index 19,621.68. And apart from that, Nasdaq has 100 has another pick is 21,326 on the last day performance. I mean on a 3rd Jan itself. So we have a new predictions which will be valid from this week onwards. Predictions is for the Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100 which will be valid for 30 December 2024 till the 4 Jan 2025. So Composite Index maximum higher end we were expecting 20,400. It can show some sort of stability around 19,500, where if it is gone down it can go below even 19,000. Nasdaq 100 we may give it to you a higher peak of the week is 21,950 or 22,000. I believe it in the whole December or end of November we have already predicted these predictions, but it has quite delay even the next peak of a year or next peak of the month. The stability it can show around 22,050, and suppose this goes down it can touch up to 20,750 points. So this is we have given a biggest volatility because market is quite volatile as of now, and that's the reason we are giving this volatility. Hopefully you will like it. It's not our YouTube audience is like it. It's all about how the market give the performance. Anyways, we are promising probably we will start a new segment into this predictions, and that will be the IPO predictions, means IPO listing predictions in Nasdaq. Hopefully, but we have to rework out on that strategy, and very soonly we will upgrade it. I guess blessed us. We are completing this year and around 4 year completed. I mean 2021 we have started. 2021 Nasdaq prediction we have started. So 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 4 years completing. So 5 years. Hopefully we will start by 30th of, I guess 30th of the December itself. We have started our first video on YouTube. Anyways, but what the it's not a god bless that we are completing anniversary. So guys, wish the new 2025 may give some glory to us. So the upcoming predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100 validity from the 5th Jan 2025 till 11th Jan 2025 maximum. It can give it to you good amount of pick over here is 20,550 point. It can show stability around 20,100. It can goes down around 19,500. Nasdaq 100 we were expecting maximum higher end, it can give it to you 22,050. It can give it to you stability around 21,850 point. It can goes below even 19 20,009. Sorry, it's a 20,950 points around below even. We have given good amount of volatility over here. Thank you, by Vidvesh Finance. Let us know what is your New Year resolution, and you can comment it into our YouTube on our YouTube video. Yes, we have another our YouTube channel that is Crypto Blush. We have not concentrated that much on a crypto blush, but the thing is that in this week you will get top 10 coins which you have to invest in 2025. Probably we will upload very soonly, probably on a Monday, I guess so. So if you see, whatever we have predicted has not completely given a touch. I mean, there are number of crypto analysis done by many various YouTubers, and the audience has given big response to them that BTC will pick the, I mean, BTC will pick the around 1 billion. Right now it is this and that, but the thing is that we have not predicted that thing. So let us see what BTC may perform. Yes, equity analysis we have not uploaded. Very soonly we will upload Nasdaq equity analysis. Till the time, enjoy your holiday with your family. I believe it. People are only in having a goals, calendar management for their New Year resolution. So let us see what New Year speak about, how it will be predicted, what are the economic changes we can see in upcoming days. Have a great day. Happy Sunday in advance. Bye bye.